driving through that, not trying to sleep, just trying to drive home.
Lost the power twice last night.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, and I think a lot of people are sleep deprived today.
Yes, they're a little grouchy today, aren't they?
Yeah. We're happy to welcome Bryan Shaw to the News 4 family. Bryan, you can tell us about how much rain we did get last night.
Yeah, Don, Jackie, it wasn't just the lightning, the thunder, and all the loud noises that kept everybody up. Even while I had the day off last night and I was listening to it, that heavy rain coming down on our roof, and we did see a lot of rain. Now, in the meantime, we're actually seeing a little bit of sunshine. The I-90 in Hamburg's there looking pretty good. And if we look at the skyway, we can actually start to see some of that cloud cover thinning up. But we are expecting some more rain for it later on tonight. Now, just to give you some numbers and what we did see for rainfall totals, North Tonawanda saw over an inch last night. And then we saw in Clarence over 2 inches. Williamsville saw over an inch and 3/4. So quite a bit of rain. Right now, forewarned Doppler radar is clear. There's nothing going on. Most of the rain that we saw today moved off to the north and east. There's a warm front that moved through, so that's why we're warmer, we're muggy. Now, the Storm Prediction Center still has us in a slight risk for severe weather, even for this evening. And then we're going to be in the slight risk again for tomorrow for severe weather, according to the Storm Prediction Center, with threats being gusty winds and large hail, and then possibly a lot of lightning, as we saw. Current temperatures are our highs right now. A lot of places flirting with 80 degrees. Niagara Falls, Buffalo, Cheektowaga, Dunkirk at 76, so a little bit cooler there, 77 in Jamestown. Satellite and radar, here's the showers we saw earlier on. Like I said, they're moving off to the north and east. We're actually seeing some thinning of the cloud cover, some of that clearing up some. But off to the west here, notice some showers and storms firing in Indiana and Ohio. That's a cold front that's behind this warm front that will head our way over the next day or so. So we are expecting more storms, and possibly some of these storms could start to fire ahead of this cold front, even for tonight. It's warm, it's muggy out there, but once this front does pass and we see some of these showers and storms, we'll actually see it cool off some, and that humidity will go down quite a bit. Taking a look at Super Microcast, showing you what we can expect for tonight. More storms possible. This is around 11 p.m. Now, sometimes these models have what we call kind of a fire-up time, and it takes a little while for them to get the precipitation going. So this could be as early as, say, 9-10 p.m., and it looks like it makes its way into Chautauqua County, southern Erie, and then a little bit later on into Wyoming. But there is a chance to see some storms popping up again for tonight, so don't be surprised if we see more lightning, possibility of some small hail, gusty winds, and just some loud cracks of thunder again for tonight. Then for tomorrow, looks like more scattered rain throughout the day, as opposed to today where we saw some breaks. I think tomorrow we'll see more rain, possibly some thunderstorms again, but it's Friday when we're going to start to quiet down. Friday, it's going to be more wraparound showers that are going to move in from the north and west, more of the light scattered variety as opposed to what we're going to see for tonight and tomorrow. And then Saturday will be clearing up even more. So for tonight, chance of rain and some storms, still warm and muggy. Temperature is going to be in the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, still a chance of some storms. Again, we're going to have that slight chance to see severe weather around here. I mentioned the threats being gusty winds, hail, temperatures warm and muggy again in the upper 70s. We could see a few spots getting close to 80 degrees. The storms are going to start to taper off by tomorrow night. Still some light rain. The humidity is going to start to drop as well. With that cold front passing, we'll bring in some cooler conditions, and you'll see it on Friday. Friday is going to be much, much cooler. Upper 60s, low 70s. Still a chance of some light scattered rain, though. We're not going to shake it just yet. Even early Saturday could have some light rain. Notice it's still cooler in the low 70s. Sunday, mostly sunny skies, low 70s. Monday, we'll start to see some increased cloud cover because the storm chances could return by Tuesday and Wednesday as we warm back up and bring back that summer-like humidity.